Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock on the M1 Finance app. First, ensure your M1 Finance account is funded. You can easily link a bank account and transfer funds directly. Once your funds settle, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days, you're ready to start building your investment portfolio. This initial step is absolutely crucial for any stock purchase you plan to make. Now, let's build your investment pie. This is M1 Finance's unique way of organizing your portfolio. You can add individual stocks, like your favorite companies, or even exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs, to your custom pie. Then, you'll allocate a specific percentage to each security, deciding how much of your total investment goes into each one. With your pie created and funded, M1 Finance handles the execution. They consolidate all trades and execute them once daily during a specific trading window. You don't need to manually place individual buy orders. Just ensure your account has sufficient funds, and M1 will automatically purchase the stocks according to your pie's allocations, even rebalancing over time. After your trades execute, you can easily monitor your portfolio's performance directly within the M1 Finance app. Feel free to adjust your pie's allocations anytime to reflect your changing investment goals. For more advanced needs, explore M1 Borrow, which offers flexible credit lines against your investments. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.